It's Wednesday, April 12th. I'm buying some Coinbase 65 puts here at 325. This is a bit of a longer term play. You can see here on the 1 minute chart, I'm buying it here in a blue line where it's pausing. So far on the day, big down day developing here on the 15-minute chart. So you had that follow through after the first bar. So it could, pause a little bit and rally up here before continuing lower. But in the bigger picture, what's happening here on the daily chart is you have the 2 down day developing here, and it looks to be the type of thing where we came up, took out these these highs here into this gap, getting the 2 down day. So you want to see it now kind of continue in the days ahead to broaden out lower to those lower lows. That's a first target here in the 58 area. And then on the weekly chart, if this ends up being a kind of a big shooter bar, which it looks like it's unfolding, then into next week on a 2 down week, we could be heading down here all the way to this area, kind of in the 50 area. So we'll see if that unfolds as well. But you can see it's a type of stock that's in an overall downtrend, pretty volatile. A lot of times when it makes its higher high and then kind of has the 2 down day, that works towards a lower low. Did it up here, higher high, came down, came up here. Let's see. When it typically makes its higher high, like up in here, and then you get the 2 down bar, it works towards the lower low, higher high, 2 down, kind of worked its way down here. In 2 pushes now, we're getting the higher high and the 2 down days with a very, with a weak market. So we'll see now if it just continues, hopefully today it'll have a nice red day. You can see a fair value gap in here in the middle of the range where it might want to pause, but we should be working down towards at least that first target, the lower low, and then we'll see into next week if we can get down to that 50 area. So buying the puts right in here on this pause and on the 15-minute chart, and we'll just see how it ends the day. As long as it ends the day kind of red, then you're expecting follow through lower towards those lower targets.